Good evening mga kapuso! Hindi lang puso ng mga Pinoy ang captured sa hit song ng SB19 na Mapa. Dahil ang American singing group na Torch Family Music, pinag-aralan pang magtagalog para gawan ito ng cover. Yan ang chika ni Nelson Canlas.
Hindi kayo na mamalikmata. Isang American singing group ang umawit ng isang Filipino song.
Dahil ikaw ang aking mata.
Ang Torch Family Music ay isang Christian singing group na kinabibilangan ng mag-asawang sina Craig at Stephanie Whiting. Pati na ng kanilang 6 na anak na sina Zoe, Belle, Chloe, Sunny, Hannah at ang bunso at uniko ihong si Rock. Nais daw ng Torch Family Music na papurihan ng Panginoon at maghatid ng good vibes sa pamamagitan ng kanilang musika. Kaya't naisip nila na gumawa ng bersyon ng pinakabagong SB19 hit na Mapa. Challenge ang pag-aaral ng Tagalog para maayos nilang magawa ang cover.
It's a lot of practice, and we'll slow the music down so they can hear the words slowly, and then they can pick up the pronunciation, and then I teach them the translation of it so they can understand the meaning behind what they're saying.
Ito palang si Craig ay nanirahan sa Visayas 20 years ago bilang isang missionary. At kahit nilisan niya raw ang Pilipinas, bit-bit niya ang pagmamahal para sa ating bansa.
And even after I came back to the United States in 1999, I would read scriptures in Tagalog so I could learn more the Tagalog language.
Nagpapasalamat ang grupo sa SB19 dahil sa ganda ng kanilang musika.
When we got a lot of views on this video, we really were just humbled. Like, we were just so grateful, and we honestly have been saying prayers of thanks to God just for helping us all along our path and helping us to get to continue to share our music and share the light, like the torch we were talking about.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.